Bitcoin's about to hit 100K. What to do afterwards? What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. And y'all read the title, man. Bitcoin's been going absolutely insane, as well as the altcoins like we've been talking about. Shout out to the members and students, as well as shout out to those that's been following along, because we've been talking about Bitcoin literally since April before the halving. So if we go to April and July, August, you can see you could have got in at 60K or even 55K. Imagine how much you'd be up right now if you got in at the beginning of that next higher high. So in this video, we're going to be talking about, again, what to expect after Bitcoin hits 100K. And for those that's a little late to the party, where I am personally looking at DCA in at, and where I am personally looking at the next price points to hit and where you could possibly secure profits. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling y'all what I see and what I'm exactly personally going to be doing. Bitcoin is now in a higher high. Now, this is month 3, technically month 2 of the higher high getting made. So if it even does, first thing, just basic stuff, right? If it even does half of the move, right? If it even does half of the previous higher high move, right? Would be at 100K, right? And we barely missed 100K. I think they did that on purpose. We hit like 99,980, 99,800. I think they did that on purpose to tease us. You know, they want to tease us a little bit because everybody's been talking about 100K. But if even does half the higher high move, it's easily hitting 100K and breaking past that. And we even see 120, 150K get hit. If not the end of the year, then possibly January, February, right? But there is going to be retracement as well. So that retracement can happen before or after we hit 100, 120K. So we're going to be talking about those price points, right? So if we can break 100 and hold 100K as support, we're hitting 120, 150 easily, okay? But after we hit that next higher high, retracement has to come next, right? So after that retracement comes, again, if we can't hold 100K as support, it's most likely going to retrace down to either 88,900, where you can look for a position to DCA at. Excuse me, not 88,900, well 88,000. Let's just say 88,000. You can look for a position to DCA there. I also look for positions at 78,600, or these are also short-term positions where you can buy or sell for those that like to trade crypto. But as far as places where I'm personally looking for positions to buy in and DCA in is at 72,000, 88,000. If we can hold those levels of support, we can see a next higher high come into play. And again, we're going to need to hold 100K, 120K as support for the next push to happen, right? So that's if it's a retracement, but this retracement can even go as low as 62K. All right. So again, that's why I'm telling y'all, y'all late, but you're not too late. There's going to be an ample time and opportunity to jump in. So again, if you do jump in now, do not put all your money in because the retracement is due, and you want to enter off a retracement so you can get more bang for your buck, literally. So now, if it doesn't just do a higher low into a higher high, actually does a reversal, we can see Bitcoin go as low as 45,000. I'm not trying to scare y'all, just letting y'all know we can see 45,000 get hit easily. And if it treats 45,000 as resistance, we could see a small downtrend even go down to 30K. But we're not going to talk about that unless we get to, again, 45, 46K. It's baby steps on it. But I'm just letting y'all know what you could possibly see happen within the next, well, let's say going into quarter 1, ending quarter 1, going into quarter 2, we can kind of see that happen. Because again, if we just go down memory lane, I don't know if y'all was in Bitcoin back when 2020, dang, it won't pull up on the charts, right? But if you go, oh wait, here it is, right? We had 2020 when we hit that 60K mark, right? And then what was happening? Super Bowl and stuff was telling everybody, oh, Bitcoin just hit a new all-time high. Bitcoin's going crazy, just like how they're doing right now. And then what happened after quarter 1 ended, right? We go to April, May, big dump, right? Then it pushed back up, then dumped even further. Then that's when everybody freaked out, sold. But if you held or bought during 2022, 2023, when it hit back to 60K, that resistance level got turned to support, which is where we see the higher high getting made at right now, which is this level right here. All right, so history always repeats itself. So we're going to most likely see a retracement next year, if not the end of this year. And we could see a similar move like this happen. So again, there's going to be ample amount of time and opportunities to get some BTC. All right, if y'all enjoy this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Let me know where y'all think Bitcoin is hitting. crypto Telegram is dropping the end of this week to get in. All the members and students are getting in automatically. To get in is free, by the way, but they're getting access to it, right? To get in, you're gonna have to do a few things for me. You're gonna have to be subscribed to the YouTube and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So you gotta DM me on Instagram, send me a screenshot of all three, say you will get joined into the crypto Telegram. I'm gonna be posting weekly and daily updates of crypto news, as well as coins I'm looking at for the day, for the week, and things like that. So you definitely don't want to miss out, y'all. Y'all definitely don't want to miss out. Make sure you have that bell on as well, because I do weekly Bitcoin analysis, as well as I do daily updates for other altcoins and things like that. But we also day trade over here, so make sure to explore the channels or playlists, because I teach you how to actually read the charts and actually how to trade. So you're not just making passive income, but you're also making active income. So you're making money on the back end as well as money on the front end. You want to learn how to identify these levels, man, because again, these levels help you not just on a day trading aspect, but also help you understand and be able to project when that next retracement, when that next rejection is going to happen and take place, which is super important, because again, there's not going to be no shock or surprise. You're going to be prepared and ready for everything. And these are the exact levels that help me predict exactly what Bitcoin was going to do up until this point. All right, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long, and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also, make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live, or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.